Villagers in West Bengal's Jaipalguri district have found a 15-foot python that had eaten a goat. The gruesome discovery was made after locals heard the screaming of the goat. The non-venomous snake strikes quickly, pulling its prey into its mouth and suffocating it before slowly swallowing the whole thing. Though they normally feed on smaller animals like chickens and rats, the Indian python's upper and lower jaw isn't fused together, which allows it to eat animals that are much bigger. Indian pythons can survive for months after a meal this size. Villagers contacted wildlife officials, who have now returned the reptile to the forest.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए ताकि हम जल्दी से जल्दी
सब्सक्राइब का बटन कहाँ है?
ओह सॉरी, गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई, ये रहा। दोस्तों हमारे YouTube पेज पे बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आपको हमारे हर वीडियोस की